Hello mga Habibis! Welcome sa aking channel. At sa bidyong ito ay pag-uusapan natin ang own bank. Ano nga ba ang own bank? Ang own bank ay digital bank sa Pilipinas. Tulad ng ibang digital bank, si own bank ay one app for all your financial needs. Si own bank din ay nag-o-offer ng free funds transfer sa ibang own bank user. At sa lahat ng banks at e-wallet. At syempre, own bank user can also buy loads and data plans for all networks and game credits, as well as paying bills online via own bank app. Transferring fund from own bank to another bank is free. Safe po ba ang ating mga ipon, ng ating pera sa own bank? Yes po, because own bank is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. At syempre, deposits are insured by the PDIC up to 500,000 per depositor. At alam nyo ba, ang kagandahan kay own bank ay nag-o-offer ng 6% up to 8% interest rate depende sa inyong time deposit. The more savings, the long time deposit, the highest interest rate you'll get. Now, let's open an account and complete the KYC. And after that, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako magka-cash in o magde-deposit sa aking own bank from my Paymaya. Let's go! At syempre, bago tayo magsimula, i-download ang own bank sa Play Store.
Open your own bank, swipe left, and click Get Started. Share your location, click Continue, and allow own bank to access your location for security purpose. Click Register, swipe right, and get started by registering your mobile number. Click and send to SMS and wait for OTP sent to your number. And you can also use my referral code if you want. Next, date of birth, day, month, and year. Make sure your birthday is the same on your valid ID. Next, choose valid ID na meron kayo. Then, take a photo. Allow own bank to access your camera. Make sure to capture your valid ID, clear, and details must be readable. Now, double-check your ID information. Choose your gender, female or male. Next, your complete address. Your province, city, barangay, street or village. Next, additional information. Your mother's maiden name, apelyido ng nanay sa pagkadalaga. Your place of birth, your marital status, saang province at city kayo pinanganak. Next, educational attainment. Ano pong natapos nyo? Ilagay ang active email address. Next, your financial information. Yung source of funds at yung inyong employment status, nature of work at ang inyong company name. Next, face recognition. Don't wear cap or eyeglasses to recognize your face easily. Face on the screen and make sure your face is clear on camera with the proper lighting. Set your PIN na madali nyo matatandaan at mamememorize. And now you can customize your card number and you can also choose recommended numbers by own bank. You can change the numbers if the numbers you choose is already occupied.
Next, congratulations! Successfully enrolled na po kayo or nakapag-open account na po kayo kay own bank. Now, kung nakikita nyo, zero balance pa tayo. Okay? The next video is ipapakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano ako magka-cash in from my PayMaya to OwnBank.
From your own bank app, click Cash In and click Deposit Now. Next, enter the amount. Enter your own bank PIN and select the pay method. There are different banks that you can choose, depends on the bank that you have. Next, enter your Maya PIN at i-redirect niya kayo sa inyong Maya account. Next, log in your Maya account. Enter the OTP and review your purchase details. And congrats! Payment successful. Now click back to merchant and click close. Processing back to own bank. As you can see, nag-reflect na yung 100 pesos na kinash in natin from Maya. Now na successful na ang ating cash in from Maya, hahayaan muna natin itong 100 pesos at i-observe natin si own bank kung tutubo ba ang ating pera. Pero syempre, don't expect too much. At eto na nga mga Zay, interest reveal. So after 1 week na pag-cash in natin ng 100 pesos kay OwnBank, 100 ay naging 116.09. The next day, nung chinek ko ulit, yung 116.09 ay naging 118.77. Hindi na masama, di ba? So after 2 days yan siya nadagdagan. The next day, nung chinek ko siya ulit, yung 118.77 ay naging 118.78. O diba, kahit sabihin mong sentimo lang yung nadagdag, hindi na masama. Ikukumpara sa 100 na itinabi mo, sa wallet mo hindi naman tumubo. O diba?
So ayan, I hope na nakatulong ang video na to at yun ang aking munting review about OwnBank at totoo nga napakalaki ng kanilang interest comparing sa ibang digital bank. So, yung pag-iipon ay mahalaga po yan na talagang dapat po tayong mag-ipon para pagka mating panahon kailangan natin ay may madudukot tayo. So, simulan na po natin mag-open account sa OwnBank at wag po kayong mag-alala kung kayo po ay natatakot na mawala ang pera nyo ay subukan nyo pong sumali sa mga groups about OwnBank, manood po kayo ng mga reviews para at least magkaroon kayo ng idea. So, ayun po, sana nakatulong ang video na ito para magkaroon kayo ng idea o at nag-decide kayo, nagda-doubt kayo, mag-open account kay OwnBank. So, baka ito na yun. So, good siya para sa akin. So far, wala pang problema kasi bago pa lang akong depositor. But, in time, dadagdagan ko pa ang aking ipon kasi malaki na naman yung nagiging interest. Hindi na masama yung piso-piso, di ba? Kung i-compare ko siya sa ibang digital banks or e-wallets, goods na goods si OwnBank. So, thank you for watching guys at sana magkita-kita pa tayo sa mga susunod kong video at supportahan niyo po ang munting channel na to. Syempre, ano pa ba? Subscribe! Thank you!